Hello, welcome to World of Warcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do quite a simple move, the basket to swizzle and back. It is going to be really helpful if you already know how to do a basket and if you already know how to do a swizzle. Links to those moves, the teachers of, in the description below. The move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. It starts just like a standard basket. We go to two hands, we wrap the lady in, we twist out. When you do the twist in, you don't want to be coming round the corner quite as tightly as usual, so you want to do something between a basket and a legacy basket, so we get twist in. We're going to lift the left hand, sending the lady away for rotation. We're going to drop the right with a tiny amount of rotation to the right, guys, so anti-clockwise. So as the lady goes round, you'll be able to naturally fold the arm up behind the back. So you're basically just doing what's natural for the arm to let that action happen. Don't try and force it. If at any point it feels uncomfortable, let go. Keep coming round for the lady. Left hand comes out to the left. So now you're in your swizzle position and we get a little rock step. Okay, if we bring the lady forwards, the left goes over the lady, the right goes back down low again so it doesn't get in the way. So we can keep the lady coming, keep rotating, wrap back into the basket and twist out. Then it's just finish the basket off. Twist in, turn and face, return and back. Let's do it from the other side and give us some numbers. So we go back. 1, we go wrap. 2, twisting out. 3, not too tight on the way in. 4, now we're going to go over the lady, drop in the hand. 5, all the way through into the swizzle with the step. 6, bringing the lady forwards, we go around once. 7, all the way in to the wrap. 8, twist out. 1, round the corner. 2, finishing off. 3 and 4, returning. 5 and 6. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, a 6, a basket to swizzle and back. We go a back, wrap, twist, twist, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. One final thing that is just a nice little extra flourish. When you wrap into the basket the second time, so you go twist, we come round, we go 1 and 2, 1 and 2. As we twist the lady out, it's quite nice to do a little comb for the lady because you've got plenty of time to pick up the hand as you come back round the corner and finish the basket off. Just allows you to fancy it up a little bit. That's it. Thank you for watching World of Warcraft. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and you'll be helping to promote the channel and dancing generally, which is really, really fab. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.